Hey guys, welcome back to TK Wonderland. So in today's video, I'm going to be organizing my lip products. I have so much lip products and so much of these. Now I do have an organizer. I do. Now let's open it. It's a cosmetic organizer and it says to save space at a glance. Let's open it and check. Wow. Oh my gosh, that actually looks so cool. It's glass. That's the side view. Oh my word, wow. It has so much like little cubes. Now I need to start organizing. First, I'm going to put these here, like in the ones on top. So all the like big ones is gonna go here, and then the small ones are gonna go downwards. So let's try and see if I can fit two in. Perfect! I can put two inside. Maybe I can do it this way even. Or does it only go that one way? I think it only goes this way. So I'm gonna fold these up. Oh, one went rolling. Fold them up. Okay. Now when this whole row is going to be full of these, okay? So I'm gonna come back to you guys when I'm done filling up this row. I'm done with this row. Now it's time to put in this row. So all the tall ones are gonna be here, and then the short ones are gonna go downwards. Let's go. Let's go. So first I have matte purple and matte red that I'm gonna place here. Okay. Hold Morning Lip Gloss, Magic Lip Gloss, Frozen, the Magic Lush Lip Gloss, Magic Grape Lip Oil, Hold Morning Lip Gloss, Apple Queen Lip Gloss, Orange and Mango Queen Lip Gloss, Magic Grape Queen Lip Gloss, Aloe Vera Lip Plumper, Watermelon Flavored Lip Gloss, Korean Lip Tint, Ice Cream Lip Gloss, Anti-Red Lip Gloss, Red Lip Balm, Strawberry Lip Balm, Green Lip Balm, Orange Lip Balm, Love Labello Fruity Shine, Mint Lip Balm, Love Labello Classic Care, Love Labello Cherry Shine, Love Labello Fruity Shine, Love Your Lips Fruity Shine. Anyways, guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed my organizing video. I will make more. I love you guys so much. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell button really hard. But there's a challenge. You have to do that in 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I hope you guys succeed in that challenge. I love you. Bye.